Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing rum and eggnog.
So to start off with our drink, we're going to start off with our shaker half filled with ice. We're going to go 1.5 ounces of rum. There's 1.5. Very nice. Now, I know it's been a while, but we did make simple syrup in our first video, so if you don't remember how to make simple syrup, make sure to check that video out first. Otherwise, we have 1/2 ounce of simple syrup going in with our drink here. And kind of weird, but we're going to crack a large egg in there too. Now, there we are. Put that right there. Make sure that your top is on well, and this one is going to take some shaking. Really want to blend it up. That egg is going to give us a nice kind of frothy texture. Nice and smooth. Give this one a good taste. Get my martini on. Alrighty. Now, into our martini glass here. Notice how it's nice and light and frothy. Won't be super heavy. And we're just going to garnish this one with a little bit of nutmeg. If you like cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, all of it, just right on top there just to make it nice. Maybe a little bit more. Like that. Looks good. And there's the rum and eggnog. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these videos. Make sure that you check out all the content on that page. And if you try any of your creations and you want to share them with us, tag Edmonton Garrison PSP. See you guys.